Hello friends, welcome back. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how you will access the application by using the cluster IP address, how you will access the application by using the node IP address, how you will expose your service on node port, and how you will access the application by using the routers. But if you have noticed that the application is still running on HTTP, it's not on HTTPS. So if you would like to use the HTTPS on this URL, how you will do that? So let's see the demonstration here. So first you need to get the details about the routes. So it says this is the root, so I need to delete this one. Delete. Root name is hello. Okay, there is no root as of now. So if you do this one here, this says this application is not available. So let's create the key first. So this is the key. So I'm generating the hello.key, which has the encryption bit is 2048. By using this key, I can generate a self-signed certificate. The certificate name, so here this is the CN name, and I need to use here hello, the name of the application, because I will expose this application by using hello.apps.example.com. it's not example.com, it's a apps.openshift.example.com, right? So I'm using the key, I'm generating the CSR, and I'm putting this one here. So let's do this one. It will say your CSR has been generated. Now let's create CRT by using this CR. Sorry. So I'm using here OpenSSL X509. Required days is 366, or I can put here 65. In this is my CSR certificate, signing key will be this, and out will be hello CRT. So here you can see hello CRT has been created. Now I have the key, I have the CRT, so I can use this command to create the root. So here OC create root, this is the age, means this is the type of the termination. If you would like to know how many types of the termination is, you can use here OC create root, and here you can see there are 3 types of the termination. Age means you can supply your own certificate, key file, and CSRT file. You can also use here pass through, means you can directly use this kind of certificate directly in your application, and your application will serve the SSL and TLS communication. There will be no certificate involvement from the router. But if you would like to use here re-encrypt as well, so re-encrypt means your router also has the certificate and SSL keys, and your application also have the certificate and SSL keys. So from the endpoint, user endpoint to router, your router certificate will encrypt the communication channel by using their own certificates, and from router to your pods, your another certificate will use that encryption channel. So I'm just using here age, means I just have the the router, that's it. So here, and this is the name of the service which I have, this is the name. So I'm just using here hello apps.openshift.example.com. this is the key. Remember, I'm just passing the name of the key because right now I am inside the home directory, and the key file and the CRT file is also available in the same directory, so I don't need to pass the full path. If you have the key and certificate in different location, you have to supply the full path here. And this is the cert name is called hello.crt. Once you pass this information, you will see this has been created, and check the root. You will have the root. You can see here the termination is called A's. You can describe this root as well. OC describe root name is hello. So it will give you the details. So this is the name, this is the name, this is the requested host exposed on router, and this is the TLS A's, and here the information about it, right? Let's try to access this application, and it says it still is not accessible because you have to use here https:// and application is available over the HTTPS. So if you are thinking about the SSL and TLS communication, so you can use this way to expose your service with your own key and certificate. This time I have created my own key and self-signed certificate because the certificate was signed by using the same key, but in your case you can have the certificate signed from the certificate authority. So you can also pass the CA certificate in this command. Here you can see this certificate authority. Here you can pass your certificate authority certificates to use it, and how you will use the different termination of the A's. Like as I mentioned to you, I have just three. We have just a three A'ing termination here. I have just used the A's, but if you would like to use the different one, you can also use the different one. Like you can use the pass-through, you can use the re-encrypt, and so on. So in this video I have demonstrated how you can use the SSL certificate while creating the root or exposing the service over the router, and how you can integrate, or how you can bind your certificates and keys inside the root so that your application can serve the traffic based on the HTTPS. I hope you like this video. See you in next session. Thank you.